How to use named ranges and import range to power Google Sheet data input. Named ranges and import range together gives you amazing Google Sheet power. Let's first learn how to do named ranges. In this sheet, we want to name one column of data as state. Simply select Data. Click on Data in the header and now select Names Ranged. Name the range and you are done. Similarly, we can name other range with a name. Now we can refer to the data in calculations with a named range. See how we simply have to save some income here. The real power of named ranges comes in import range function, import range. This gives you power to import data from one sheet into another by simply passing ID of one sheet. See how we are able to import income from one worksheet to another using ID and named ranges. To import data, you will have to give access. Simply click on Allow Access post error message. Enjoy power of Google Sheet with named ranges and import range. Hashtags, named ranges, import range, sheet. How to use named ranges and import range to power Google Sheet data input.